converting fractions to percents. Okay, if the fraction, the denominator is a 100, you can instantly turn it into a percent. We do this by taking the top number right here. Oh, sorry. If the bottom number is 100, we convert the 100 into the percent sign, and then the top number comes down in front. So 5 over 100 is represented by 5%. This is also 100, so the 100 gets converted into the percent sign, and then the number here, 125, goes in front. So 125% actually means 125 over 100. The 100 here gets converted into percent, and we end up with 75 and percent. So 75 over 100 is 75%. And again, we have 100 here, so the 100 gets converted into the percent sign, and then the 0.2 comes down in front. Finish. Now, what happens when a number does not have 100 in the denominator? Well, we're going to create 100 in the denominator. So here, this is 10, and I want this to be 100 instead. So a multiplier. So 10 times what goes to 100? And the answer is 10 times 10. Use that same multiplier for the numerator, and we get 5 times 10, which is 50. And now we've turned this into a fraction that has a denominator of 100. So the 100 becomes the percent sign, and the 50 goes on top. So 5 over 10 is 50%. Let's try it again. Let's see. This is not 100, so let's see if we can create a 100. Let's find the multiplier from 5 to 100, and the multiplier is 20. So we use the multiplier in the numerator, 20 here. 4 times 20 is 80. Then the 100 can be rewritten as a percentage, and the 80 is in front of it. So 4 out of 5, or 4/5, is 80%. Next, 2/3. I want this to be a 100, so let's put 100 here and find the multiplier. 2 times what is 100? It'll be 50. 2 times 50 is 100. Let's use the multiplier here, so times 50 here. 3 times 50 is 150. So the 100 here becomes the percentage sign, and the number 150 goes in front. Next, 2/4. 2/4, I want to convert that denominator to 100. So the question is, what is the multiplier to go from 4 to 100? And it's 25. 4 times 25 will be 100. So I use the multiplier in the numerator as well. Oops, backwards. So 2 times 25 is 50. The 100 gets changed into the percentage sign, and the 50 here goes in the numerator. And 2/4 is represented by 50%.